Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. I am Puan Siti Rohana binti Man, your biology teacher. Today, we are going to learn ecosystem. And the content standard for this learning field is about community and ecosystem. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to define the terms. The first one, species. Next, population, community, habitat, niche, and ecosystem. You will also able to identify abiotic and biotic components in an ecosystem. A species is a group of similar organisms able to interbreed and produce offspring. Population is a group of organisms of the same species which live in the same habitat. Community is the populations of all organisms from different species living in the same habitat whilst interacting with each other. And habitat is the natural surrounding or living place of an organism. For example, habitat for birds in a forest and habitat for frog in a pond. An ecosystem is a few communities that live together in a habitat and interact with each other, including non-living components which are abiotic components such as water, air, and soil. How about niche? Niche is the role of an organism in an ecosystem, which includes its behavior and interactions with biotic and abiotic components in the surrounding of its habitat. Okay, now, together with me, let's explore the ecosystem and identify biotic and abiotic components through virtual reality. Let's go.
An ecosystem refers to all the non-living and living things in an area. Ecosystems include deserts, rivers, coral reefs, forests, grasslands, and beaches. You are in a forest ecosystem where various living and non-living factors can be observed. Let's take a look at the non-living factors. Move around using your controller and select the highlighted areas to view the non-living factors. Four more non-living factors are left. 3 more non-living factors are left. 2 more non-living factors are left. 1 more non-living factor is left. All of the non-living components which affect the living organisms and the ecosystem are called abiotic factors. These factors include soil, sunlight, heat, water, and stones. You have seen various abiotic factors in the forest. Now move around using your controller and select the highlighted areas to view the living factors. 7 more living factors are left. 6 more living factors are left. 5 more living factors are left. 4 more living factors are left. 3 more living factors are left. 2 more living factors are left. 1 more living factor is left. The living components of an ecosystem, such as animals, plants, and microorganisms, are called biotic factors. Move to the highlighted region using your controller to proceed. Select the highlighted tree to view the dependency of biotic factors on abiotic factors. In an ecosystem, the functioning of biotic factors depends upon the abiotic factors. These factors are important for the survival of living things. Move around using your controller and select the highlighted populations. Four more populations need to be selected. Three more populations need to be selected. Two more populations need to be selected. One more population needs to be selected. A population of an area includes the members of a species living in that area. All of the populations of different species living together at the same time in an ecosystem is called a community. You have completed this activity. Select OK to return to the menu and continue to the next activity.
So now, let's find abiotic and biotic factors as well as the population in this ecosystem by using virtual reality. Let's go.
Follow the instructions to perform the assessment and earn points. You can try multiple times, but points are only awarded if you answer correctly on the first try. You are in a forest. Identify 5 abiotic and 5 biotic factors from the highlighted ones in the forest and in the pond within the time frame. Move around in the forest using your controller and select the abiotic factors. Right, you need to find 4 more abiotic factors. Right, you need to find 3 more abiotic factors. Right, you need to find 2 more abiotic factors. Right. Observe the trees around you and select the abiotic factor which is responsible for the movement of their leaves. A. Rabbit. B. Sunlight and heat. C. Air. D. Grass. Right. You have successfully found the abiotic factors. Now move around using your controller to find the biotic factors. Correct. You need to find 4 more biotic factors. Right. You need to find 3 more biotic factors. Correct. You need to find 2 more biotic factors. Correct. You need to find 1 more biotic factor. Right. Biotic factors are the living components of an ecosystem, while abiotic factors are the non-living components of the ecosystem. Move around and using your controller to find the different populations in the ecosystem. Right, select 3 more populations. Right, select 2 more populations. Correct, select 1 more population. Right. All the individuals of a species living together in a defined area forms a population. Which term describes the total number of organisms living in a geographic area? Select the correct option. A. Community. B. Population. C. Habitat. D. Abiotic. Right. When all the different populations live together in a defined area and interact with one another, then they all together form a community. You have completed the assessment. Here is your score. You scored well, and you have completed the module. Select OK to return to the menu where you can exit.
Hopefully, you can understand this lesson and enjoy traveling with me in the virtual reality ecosystem. Thank you. Bye.